So let's begin with our cereal box, and we need to make we need to cut out a 9 inches by 6 inches thin compressed cardboard to use as our unconventional loom. So here we have our cereal box, and one of the things you want to do, instead of cutting right into here, is go ahead on the bottom and kind of pull it apart so that it's clean, because we want to use as much of this cardboard as possible. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to kind of flatten it out like this, and then turn it the other way and flatten it out again. We want to use these creases to kind of be able to extrapolate a nice right angle. You can also do this. You can see that this cardboard box can keep coming apart. If you can't do this, go ahead and get some scissors and cut along the edge and then just open it. Right? So here we have a nice cardboard box, and we're going to save our other piece for a future project, but for this project we're going to go ahead and use these crease lines to go ahead and get a nice right angle of a 9 by 6 inch piece of cardboard. So I'm going to go ahead and bring my metal ruler and my blade right here. If you don't have an X-Acto blade, you can use a box cutter. Okay, you can use a box cutter. Go ahead and move this out of the way, and then we're going to come over here. We're going to cut right here. Okay. I'm not going to worry too much about this part, because at this point we're just going to go ahead and measure our 9 by 6 inches that we're going to use to cut. So right here I have 6 inches, or I'm sorry, 9 inches right over here, and we're going to go ahead and do 6 inches right over here, and then cut our square. I'm also going to measure over here the 6 inches along this crease, because it's going to help me get a nice square. And I measured 9 inches here, so I'm going to go ahead and measure 9 inches across. And with my ruler, I can go ahead and draw where I'm going to cut. Go ahead and measure where I'm going to cut. So right here is my square.